In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix only one Winterfest present available inside of Fortnite Winterfest 2025. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now, why do you only have one Winterfest present available? Why do you not have more Winterfest presents available? Because it's not day one anymore. You should have more Winterfest presents that you are able to open by now. So how this works, Fortnite did actually go ahead and change this in Winterfest 2025. So going forward now, you can only open one present per day no matter what. So that's basically what Fortnite did. That's how they went ahead and changed it. But Fortnite Winterfest does end the 5th of January. So you have like a few extra days. So I would recommend you log in every day now. And every day you'll get one more and you'll be able to open one more present. So that's what I'd recommend you do so you don't miss out on any presents. It's unfortunate Fortnite changed it like this, but that is how you go ahead and basically be able to open all your Winterfest presents in 2025. And that's why you only see one of them. And that's basically the best way to go ahead and go about this. So if this video did help you, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video.